A case citator is a tool that allows you to track the history of a case, see the treatment of a case by subsequent cases, identify secondary sources that have cited a case, and determine if a case is still good law. A case citator record can help you get an understanding of a case, but should never replace the reading of the full judgment. Westlaw has case citator information in their key cites and key numbers. Let's search for the following case in Westlaw: Strickland against Commonwealth Director of Public Prosecutions, 2018, 266, CLR 325. There are a few ways to locate cases in Westlaw. As we know the case title, let's enter it in the search box. In the results list, select the title of the case. Below the case name at the top of the page, you may see a series of citations. These are parallel citations indicating different versions of the case are available. You'll also see these listed in the case version box on the right. Currently, we're seeing the Westlaw version, which is the unreported version of the case. Before reading the full judgment and citing any of the versions listed, make sure you select the most appropriate one to use. For now, let's stick with the Westlaw version to walk through the key cite information available. Case citators use a set of symbols to identify how a case has been treated. If there is any negative history associated with the case, you'll see an indicator flag next to the case name. The case that has had the most significant impact on the case will be listed at the top of the document. In Westlaw, yellow warns that the decision has some negative history but has not been reversed or overruled. Red warns that the case may not be good law, indicating that the decision has been reversed or overruled. Across the top of the page there are 5 tabs: Document, Negative Treatment, History, Citing References, and Table of Authorities. Let's have a look at each of these tabs in turn. At the top of the Document tab, you'll see a list of information. This includes the unreported citation, the court, the party names, the case number in the court, the judgment date, and the judge or judges. Moving down the tab, you'll find the case digest for the judgment. This will outline the main legal issues covered by the case. You may see a link to other cases that have cited this point of law. The headings on the right are the key numbers. You can use these to identify other cases on the same topic. Following the digest, you'll be able to read the full text of the judgment in HTML. The Negative Treatment tab may show the negative direct history and the negative treatment of the case by other cases. The History tab shows where the case has been in the courts. It will include previous or subsequent hearings. The Citing References tab shows the cases that have used this case as a point of law and secondary sources like commentary and journal articles that refer to the case. The Table of Authority lists the cases this case used as a point of law. You can sort these cases by title, depth, and quote order. You'll find depth indicated in both the Citing References and the Table of Authorities tabs. It indicates the extent to which the listed cases used or discussed our case.